Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor R. Srinivas Rao Garu, respected Rector of Krishna University, Professor Basves Rao Garu, esteemed Registrar of Krishna University, Professor Soban Babu Garu, respected Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Professor Sundar Krishna Garu, all my colleagues and PRO Mr. Nagaraj Garu, and my dearest students. A very good morning to one and all. At the outset, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and all our authorities for giving us permission and support. You have to set your goal. Set your goal. The induction program is to adapt you to the institution, to welcome you to the institution and make you to understand the things about institution. So learn the environment and set your goal. Use the environment to achieve your goal. Prepare a roadmap for your career and life. Work hard to achieve it. We have excellent library, good enough laboratory and sports facilities in our campus.
Respected Rector, Professor M.V. Basves Rao Garu, respected Registrar, Soban Babu and Principal, University of Engineering and Technology, Vijay Kumar Garu, and my dear staff members of University College of Engineering and Technology, press and media, and my dear students. Good morning to you all.
Morning.
My heart welcome to all the students in Krishna University. My congratulations to you also for joining this esteemed university. As this is an induction program, so it is the responsibility of the institution to encourage you and to give an idea about engineering service. So one thing I can say, so to get a job or to settle in any job, some important characters are required. One is hard work, కష్టపడి పని చేయడం, honestness, అది ఉండాలి. తర్వాత నాకు ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్స్ లేకపోవడం అయితే ఎన్నో కారణంలో ఐ జాయిన్ చేసి సపోర్ట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ కంటిన్యూ. ఐ గాట్ పార్ట్ టైం డిగ్రీ, జేఎన్టీలో పార్ట్ టైం డిగ్రీ కోర్స్ పెట్టారు. సో మార్నింగ్ అంతా హైదరాబాద్లో సర్వీసింగ్ జాబ్ చేసుకుంటూ కస్టమర్ సపోర్ట్ చేయడం, ఈవినింగ్ వెళ్ళేవారు. అలాంటి సందర్భంలో విప్రో వాళ్ళు ఒక ప్రింటర్ రిలీజ్ చేశారు.
Good morning to Varada. I'm the Vice Chancellor of Krishna University, Professor R. Srinivas Rao Garu, respected Rector of the University, Professor Basves Rao Garu, Dean, Professor Sundar Krishna Garu, Grace Program, Manager and Cabinet, Principal of University College of Engineering, Madam Vijay Kumar Garu, and my dear colleagues and my dear students. Very good morning to Varada.
Good morning.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate each and everyone for getting the admission into this prestigious institute, University College of Engineering, Krishna University. So it's completely value-free campus. Here we have so many facilities. ఇప్పటివరకు మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ చూసారు. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అంటే ఒక రూమ్లో బంధించేసి చదివించుంటారు. సో ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అంటే కంప్లీట్గా ప్రాక్టికల్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. అప్పుడే మీరు సక్సెస్ అవ్వదు. సో ఇక్కడ చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్తాను. అది గుడ్ పర్పస్, గుడ్ కాజ్. వాట్సాప్లో ఫోటోలు పెట్టి తిన్నావా అడిగిందా ఇవన్నీ మనం అడగాల్సిన పర్లేదు. అవి మనం అడగాల్సిన పర్లేదండి. మనం ఏదైనా కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లాస్లో చెప్పారు, ఇమీడియట్గా మనకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది, మరి కాన్సెప్ట్ మేడం ఎలా చెప్పారు, దాన్ని ఎవరికైనా అర్థమైతే నాకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి, అట్లా మాట్లాడండి. అంటే గుడ్ పర్పస్ మనం యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం అంతా ఒకే థింకింగ్లో ఉన్నాం. అదేంటంటే పాయింట్ వన్ సైడ్. ఆ వన్ సైడ్ వల్ల మనకేంటంటే బాడీ పనికిరాకుండా పోతుంది. చిన్నప్పుడే లేబర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇవన్నీ
honorable Vice Chancellor. So,
students, warm welcome to this induction program. So this induction program is mandatory for the AICT of last maybe 5 to 10 years. This is the objective of this induction program is convey how the university is there, our institution is there. We want to introduce ourselves to university. So anyway, this is all over. My part of it is, can anybody knows what is engineering is? What exactly engineering is? Why you study engineering? Is it a new? Anybody knows what is engineering? At least everybody knows what is mathematics.
Logical study. Logical study of all sides.
Anything is engineering is this application of science and mathematics to real world problems, solving it and getting any output or product from it. So we generally, up to intermediate, we will all study the mathematics in deeper way. Maybe physics also, or the chemistry also. Because you are engineering, you will not much interested on biology. So here, in case of engineering, we study mathematics and we will apply this mathematics to problems of real world. So based on this real world, we divide all the works into different categories. Say, let us say, civil works, mechanical, or electrical, or EC, or up to first 3 is the main branches. Afterwards, computer science, PCE, or whatever is this coming from electrical engineering. So this classification, based on this classification, you may choose one of the branches, maybe civil engineering, electrical engineering, or mechanical engineering. Of course, these 3 are not there here. This is a part of the electrical. So overall, what is the civil engineers do? Anybody knows? What they will do? EC is the better branch. Compared instead of computer. But until I joined ECE, of course I completed and it's okay. What I am saying is, some of you don't know why you chosen this branch. Whether you are chosen for fashion, or really interested, or for job purposes. How many of you really joined this branch with interest? CSE branch. Every day come to the class. If you every day you attend the classes, you get 60%. If you are say referring your last class material or like lecture and come to the class, you get 70%. If really you study the subject every day or maybe revise it weekly, you get 80% without any restriction. So this is in your hands. You want to study, attend every day, or every day you read it and comment, or refer it and comment to the class. Nobody, this is not a kids class, like maybe 6th class or something. This is a BTech degree. I don't know here, in JNU will not bother about anything. Whether he is coming to the class, he is writing the exam.
अरे वीडियो रन आप यहाँ पे ना आप
Last but not least, I thank you to all the students for showing their interest in the program. I once again thanks to everyone for making this program successful.